Hello students, we start a new and very important chapter called exponents. This chapter is there also in class 8 and 9. 9 it is in more details. So this is also called indices. I'll tell you why. So first thing, we start with the concepts. So a to the power m, this is read as a to the power m. So this, what is up, is called power, index or exponent. Hence the name of the chapter, exponents. Other name of the chapter is your indices. Indices is a plural of index. Now you see the meaning of this. What is meaning of a to the power m? When a is multiplied m times, you get a to the power m. Then we have certain laws, children, which are very important. So this is called a to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. How we read it? That when bases are same and two things are multiplied, then the powers are added. So this is called product law. Name is not generally mentioned in class 7, but when you go to 9, you have it. Okay. This is second is called quotient law. It has two format, children. 3 part 1, 3 part 2. Please see here. This is 3 part 1 and 3 part 2. What we have? When a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, you get power is subtracted. This is called quotient law, provided m is greater than n. Opposite, see this. If m is less than n or n is greater than m, then we take the smaller towards the bigger. This goes down. So you get a to the power n minus m. Because n is bigger, so we take it down. So when I do the sum, children, lot of thing, it is new for you, it is hard for you, but have patience as we do. And I'll try to do the full exercise with you. There is one exercise 5a. I'll try to do almost all the sum. So after you finish with me, come back and check, then your understanding will be far better. So don't worry here if you are finding what I am saying to be Greek, French and Latin. These are simple maths, little hard for you in the beginning, but once you finish, it will be quite easy for you. Third thing is called power law. Power law means when two things are multiplied, powers power, then power is multiplied. So this also we will see while doing. Then there are some smaller things. Okay, a b to the whole to the power n. So this n can be outside also. N a to the power n into means, this means n is with both a and b. Same thing here, a to the power b to the power n, a to the power n by b to the power n. Anything to the power 0, children, is 1. If there is minus power, later on you will see, may not be in this class, they say write as positive index. Positive index means power has to be positive. So if there is a to the power minus m, 1 upon that, you take it down, power becomes plus. If power is minus down, take it up. From denominator to numerator, power becomes plus. From numerator, you take to denominator, negative power becomes plus. Minus 1 to the odd natural number. We will see, like minus 1 to the power 3, 5, 7, you will get minus 1. If anything is minus, not only minus 1, if anything is minus, you see, and you have even natural number power, 2, 4, 6, 8, like that, answer will be, in case of 1 is 1, but we will see for other numbers, odd power gives you negative answer, even power gives you positive answer. So before I start, there are 2, 3 very interesting things I'll tell you. Okay. So then you will have love for this particular chapter and love for mathematics. So one of greatest, I'll tell you, one of the greatest Indian mathematician ever born was Srinivas Ramanujan. Somewhere he was born in the close of your 19th century. Okay, so he was at the age of 31. I think he died when he was 32 or 33. At the age of the 31, he got the title of Fellowship of Royal College, FRS. And he was called by Professor Hardy. Okay, so he was called there. So when he was very sick, when Ramanujan was very sick, then Professor Hardy took a taxi or a cab and went to see the sick Ramanujan. Then he told me, Professor Hardy told Ramanujam, I have come in a taxi whose number was very unlucky, 1729, 1729, it's a very unlucky number. He said, Ramanujam, when he heard, he was very sick at that time, still he said it's very special number. Why? He said it is cube of, this is the smallest number which is cube of two numbers, and there's another number also, two different set of cubes. 10 cube is 1000, 9 cube is 729, you will get this. 12 cube is 1728, if 1 cube is 1 if you add. So this is the smallest number which can be written as cube of two other number. Okay, and second thing, this is also one number which can be written as product of three prime numbers 7, 13 and 19. So Srinivas Ramanujam loved numbers. He had a special emotional attachment with natural numbers. So many things you have done, you can check his details in the net, you can see. So I thought it will be better if I tell you, see. So the more you do with numbers, children, the more interest you will have. So little next part I'll rub this and I'll tell you something more interesting about this natural number, squared and cubes. So see here, this is another thing. If the power is 2, if the power or index or exponent is 2, it is called 3 squared. Okay, people call it square, 3 square, it's not technically right. 3 squared means you do 3 into 3. 5 cubed, not cube, C-U-B, it is cubed. 5 cubed means 5 is multiplied with itself. Never think this, children, as this is 3 into 2. Many children think 3. This is a symbolic representation when a number is multiplied with itself. This is a symbolic representation, cubed, where a number is multiplied with itself 3 times. This is never 5 into 3. So don't get confused. This is 3 into 2, this is 5 into 3. No. Cubed means anything. Apple cubed is apple into apple into apple. Orange square is orange into orange. And to finally sum it up, my introduction, a little bit more you will have. It has a lot of applications. So maybe when I get time, I'll have at least maybe one exercise. We have at least 3-4. I'll have a video lesson on this. Okay. So maybe in the later part 4 or part 5, I'll tell you how we apply this in physics. So it has a huge application, especially when you do physics from class 8 onward, 8 or 9 onward, 9, 10, 11, 12, you will see this concept. So it's a very important conceptual chapter, children. So please understand it and practice it. So before I start the chapter, children, I will teach you something very important. This has huge application in other chapters of mathematics also. So 1 to the power 1 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 squared means 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 cubed is 8. Same way, 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 7 is 128. Okay, so here I'll write, there I will write it for 2 to the power 7 is 128. 2 to the power, it just double. 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9, 3 cubed is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 to the power 5 I think is 243. 81 3s are. So like that you go at least up to here, you learn 4 to the power 1 is 4, 4 squared is 16, 4 cubed is 64, like that you learn. So there's a lot of similarity. Whatever you get for 2, half of that power you will get for 4, because 4 is 2 into 2. So what you get for 2 to the power 6, it is for 4 to the power 3. What you get for 2 to the power 8, same thing you will get for 4 to the power 4. Okay, so 4 to the power 4 if you do, you will get what is 2 to the power 8, 256. 64 4s. So like that you learn 5 to the power 1 is 5. Okay, 5 squared is 25. 5 cubed is 125. 5 to the power 4 is 625. So like that it goes, you learn. 7 with 7, same way 7 squared is 49. 7 cubed means 7 into 7 into 7. So I think this is 343. Okay, 49 sevens are 49 sevens I think is 343. So like that, 10 squared is 100, 10 cubed is 1000. So like that, these are very important, children. So please write. You can write little bit more. Okay, you try with after that 9, 10. You can try with next is 13. You may try. Okay, 13 square is 169. Especially square of the number, at least square of the number, you go up to at least 30 square is 3 3s are 90, 900 you will get. So at least till 30 you learn. 13 squared 169, 14 squared 196, 15 squared 225, 16 squared 256, 17 squared 289. Okay, 18 squared I think is 324. 19 squared is 361, 20 square is 400, 21 square is 441. So like that up to 30 you write and learn. These are very important, children. Don't think so we are wasting time. So this, please you write, I tell you, at least squared of 30 and cube of at least you go up to 7. I showed you around 11, 12 like that. But squared of number is very important. So please copy, learn them. It should be at your fingertips. Means when anybody will ask you any sum, you will be able to reproduce it then and there. So like I told you, tables you must know from 1 to 20. Must learn each thing. You don't have to write and calculate. Same way over here, children. Please mug them up. Mug them up means memorize them. Okay. So I hope after doing this, when I do the chapter, you will understand and enjoy the chapter on indices. So next, now we move on to the main chapter. So you see here, we have to find the value of all of this. So 7 to the power 4 means 7 multiplied by 4 times. So what I do? 7 sevens are 49 into 49 if you multiply. So I'm making it 2 digit versus 2 digit. So this I think will give you 2401. Now see this next one, minus 5 multiplied with itself 3 times. So first see about sign, children. See about sign. Minus minus becomes plus. So see, a minus minus becomes plus. Okay, the next minus, so this gives you plus. Next minus, plus minus minus gives you minus. So answer will be minus. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. So remember, this I have taught you in my earlier videos on integers and fraction. You check there. So we get, or as I taught you in my concept, odd number of time. Minus to the power odd number time is minus. Minus to the power even number of time is plus. As I taught you for 1. Minus 1 to the power odd number is minus 1. Plus minus 1 to the power even number is plus 1. So something very similar. You just go back, play back, rewind and see. This one. 3 multiplied with itself 5 times. And 4 multiplied with itself 5 times. So this if you multiply, children, you will get 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. So this you will get 243, and this will be, children, as I told you, if you learn, this is 4 to the power 5, which is same as 2 to the power 10. And 2 to the power 10, if you remember, children, it is this. I told you what is 4's power. 2's power, you double it. 4 square is 16, 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 4 square is same as 2 to the power 4. 4 to the power 3 is same as 2 to the power 6. 4 to the power 5 is same as 2 to the power 10, which is 1024. So here I was showing you previous video, you see 2 to the power 9 is your 2 to the power 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, then 1024. So please you note it. Okay, then now this one, last question of part 1. -5, I told you even number of time. So if you see even number of time, you get positive answer. And 5 squared is 25, 2 squared is 4. Okay, we see square of 2. Now this, if you convert to mixed fraction, is 6 1/4. Okay, I have taught you before. If you want to see it again, write 25 here. 4 6 are 24, 1 comes, so 6 1/4. Okay, so this was question number 1, children. So second one is very easy. You don't multiply, express in exponential form. Exponential means in form of exponents, means in power form. So it's such an easy thing. -7/13, let it be there. 1 into 2 into 3, 3 times means cubed. 3 times means cubed. This is 4 times. -8/3, same thing you write. This will be power 4. It has come this into this into. So 4 times multiplied with itself, it's to the power 4. 3 times it is what we call cubed. 2 times it is called squared. So kindly pause the video or take the screenshot before we move on to the last question of this session. Now we move on to the last question of this session. So if you see here, question 3 part 1, as I was telling you, 7's cube, if you see, I was telling you 49. See my earlier part of the video. 49 sevens are. So if this is 7 cubed, you think about, that's why I said you write squared and cubed. So see here, 8 cubed you need. This is 8 into 8 into 8. So at least 1 to 10 you do cubed also, and up to 30 I said squared also. So see, until you know this, so answer is 7/8 cubed. So if you don't know this cube is this cubed is this, you will not be able to get answer. Same way I told you, 32 is 2 to the power 5. So check my earlier part, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. So this, children, if you see, this may be 3. 3, 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 3 cubed is 27. So see, I wrote here, 3 to the power 4, 81, 3 to the power 5 is 243. Now see, let 1 be minus be there, minus. So 128, children, I told you, is 2 to the power 6. So you can write, okay, here 1 just for the sake of doing, because this will be 6 times. Okay, so you can write like this over here, or if you have any difficulty, write 6 times. Okay, I think 7 times. 6 times is 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, 1, any time you multiply, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 1 5 6 7. So this is -1/2 to the power 7. So you can multiply 2 7 times. I told you 4 16 32 64. Okay, 4 8 16 32 64 128. Okay, so that's why I told you must learn the squared and cubed of the number. Here this you see, if we were doing 729, if you see, so you can see 64. So 64, if you remember, is 2 to the power 6. So this is 2 to the power 6. You try, this may be 3 to the power 6. I did up to 3 to the power 5, I think. 6 you will get. 81 243. 243 into 3, you will get 729. So this is 3/2 to the power 6. So check all the answers. Okay, so that's why I told you, children, you need to be good in tables plus all this squared and all. So today I have done all the question from 1 to 3 of this exercise. Any other book you are using, you can see other book also. It's very good. You have any reference book, you see that solve, and there are plenty of solved example children which are very good. So please practice what I told you, and after doing, please see this 2-3 times. Okay, write them, solve them and practice them. So thank you boys for watching this video.